Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to import the NSE F&O stocks list into TradingView Watchlist. We can simply do this by clicking right here on the right screen on screeners, so right there, and then we go right here to stock screener. So make sure that it's standing here on the stock screener. Then after this we select right here India, and then right now you will find here all the stocks from India. So if we now click here on index and we can here click on select all, we need to select them all. Then what we now can do is you can select by yourself which one you want to add to a watch list. So let's right mouse click now on this, and then you can click here on add it's a difficult name, to this watch list, and then you can select right here the watch list. What you also can do is right here do Ctrl A and then right mouse click and then do this, add selected to watch list, and then select watch list, and then you can add it to your watch list. So this is how this works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.